It's a bird in here. All right, guys, we're on our way to Nashville. So we're going to let you know what Nashville is all about. We're going to see what the hype is all about. So see you when we get there. We just landed. Can't wait to go eat some food. It's going to be so good. Whew. Look at this, guys. I know this is not barbecue, but there's no White Castle up north, and I'm about to have a nostalgic moment. Wow. They closed down all the White Castles, and I'm about to have a nostalgic moment. All right, folks, so we are at Jim's and Nick's barbecue place. I heard a lot of great things about this place, and we are about to find out. Man, oh man, can't wait, guys. So we're gonna take you inside and show you what they got. All right. That's what I want right there. You serve six certifications. That's what I'm talking about. And salute to all the armed forces, the military that does all the fighting for us each and every single day. I salute you guys. So this is what the inside of this restaurant looks like. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. Alright, so I'm gonna take a sneak peek of the kitchen, see what they look like. Alright, let's take a look at the menu. Uh-oh. Sounds like somebody dropped something. They got a lot of good selections.
Yeah, pretty good up here.
And somebody took a bite out of the menu, or my menu at least. It must be that good. They took a bite out of the menu. Alright, so I gave us a basket full of these corn muffins, and they are delicious.
Cheese corn muffins.
Cheese corn muffins. Oh man, take a look at that, guys. These are delicious.
And
so
you can buy it and make it.
And we can buy it and make it. Okay, awesome. So we're about to tear this up, guys, and we're going to show you what the food looks like when they come around. All right, this is what I got, guys, the sampler. So far, it looks good. It looks nice and neat. I'm gonna dive in and I'm gonna let you know what it tastes like. Okay, so let's do a review on these briskets. I mean, I actually like what I see so far. A little bit of sauce on it. It's kind of thin. Doesn't look too dry.
taste it too much.
Cool right off. Let's take a taste. Not bad. You can see the smoke ring on these ribs. And these are spare ribs. Got a nice color to it. Nice sauce glaze. Not bad at all. Alright, let's take a bite of it and I'll show you what the results are. Alright. Nice bite through a little bit. Very good flavor. Moist, juicy, and tender. You can see it right there. The glistening, yeah. Very, very good. Alright, we're gonna try the next item. And also forgot to point out to you guys, this is not the St. Louis style ribs. But like I said, clean bite through on the bones. And they give you the empties of the regular size ribs. Very good. Alright, so these are the hot links. And they look pretty good. Let's give them a taste. Wow, full flavor. Not bad at all. I think they got a little cheese in it if I'm not mistaken. Wow. So these are the Carolina pulled pork. So, you can see they're nice and glistening. They give you the strands, which is perfect. Okay. Very good. Alright guys, so this is my take and the review on Jim's and Nick's barbecue. On a scale of on a standard scale from A to D, this definitely gets a B plus. Very good food, moist, tender, juicy. You could definitely taste the smoke, and very good quality food. Well worth the money. Definitely recommend this place. And the sauces are on point. And this is what I call crack muffin. You gotta have this, guys. When you come here, please, you gotta have this. So next time, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.